Hello, everybody. Welcome to Animate Education channel. Today we learn how to talk about your daily life. Ready? Let's go. Every day I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I get dressed. Today I wear a blue t-shirt and jeans. After that, I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and drink coffee or tea. At 8 o'clock, I leave home and go to work or go to school. I take the bus or ride my bike. At work, I start working at 9. I have lunch at 12:30. Rice, chicken, and salad. Yum. In the afternoon, I finish work at 5. I go back home, take a shower, and relax. Sometimes I watch YouTube or read a book. At 7:30, I have dinner with my family. After dinner, I do the dishes and study English a little. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I fall asleep very fast because I am tired. Good night. Now you try. Tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Simple words we learned today. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, wash face, get dressed, make breakfast, eat, drink, leave home, go to work, school, have lunch, finish work, go back home, take a shower, relax, have dinner, do the dishes, study, go to bed, fall asleep. Practice every day equals you speak English very fast. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.